We visited a park in Tokyo where you can see a waterfall. There you can still see the natural animals and the hidden tea house there. And rare birds can be seen at. Finally, we also show you how to get to this place. Nanushi Waterfall Park. A park rich in nature located in Kitaku, Tokyo. Here you will find nature that you would not expect to find in Tokyo. Nanushi Waterfall Park was originally opened in the Edo period 1854 to 1860 during the Ansei era 1854 to 1860 by Hitano Senpachi, the feudal lord of Aji village, in his own mansion. This is also where the name Nanushi no Taki comes from. It was not until the middle of the Meiji period 1868 to 1912 that the garden was developed as a garden and became the property of a man named Kakiuchi Tokusaburo. There are many waterfalls in the Aji area, which is at the tip of the Musashino Plateau, and there used to be 7 waterfalls called the 7 Aji waterfalls. Of these, Nanushi Falls is the only waterfall still in existence. Nanushi Falls consists of 4 waterfalls: Otoko Falls, one of the highest waterfalls in Tokyo with a drop of 8 meters, Madaki Falls Ana Falls, Dako Falls Takano Falls, and Ujikono Falls. Nanushi Waterfall Park is a circular garden that incorporates natural scenery by skillfully utilizing these waterfalls and the slopes planted with Zelkova, Inoki, Shii, and more than 100 mountain maples. In the summer, fireflies can be seen glowing in the creek that flows out of the waterfalls. This is evidence of the clean water. There is a tea ceremony room at the back of the park, which can be used upon reservation. Carp and ducks live in the park's pond and can be seen nearby. We were also able to see herons up close, which are rarely seen in Tokyo. Isn't it a blessing to be able to see these wary herons up close? From Haneda Airport, take the Kikyu Line Airport Express train and arrive at Shinagawa Station in 20 minutes. Note that there are 3 types of trains in addition to the local train. From Shinagawa Station, transfer to the Kihin Tohoku Line to arrive at Aji Station in 40 minutes. The drop-off station is Aji Station. From there, it is only a 5-minute walk.